So we're back from doing four-wheeling, and I'm now editing the video. Just want to see what we had a lot of fun. Jacob, well, 22 years old, is able to drive. He's able to drive. Just say that. No damage done to the truck. Take a look at the video.
What's up, guys? We're on our way to some trails, some 4x4 trails, local 4x4 trails. They're all still marked from last season. I don't think they've been. I've been on them twice and haven't been cleaned up yet, though.
We got a brand new camera.
We're testing out the new little GoPro. Well, it's not a GoPro.
It's got snap. It's fucking expensive.
Fuck, man, these sport cameras are expensive.
Yeah, that's $150. The GoPro's like $400.
$4 or $5.
Yeah, so sorry about the jitteriness. We're driving, and he's driving. So.
Oh, shut up! Don't blame it on
Look how
me.
he drives. Look how he drives. Yes, look how he drives. Look at the hairy legs. Look at this shit.
Fuck off.
Hey, no swearing.
Hey, we're not tomorrow.
Oh, okay. We're not tomorrow yet. Okay. Yeah, this is part 2 to our little thing. We're headed for the mud trails, and we're gonna go mudding.
Oh yeah.
I'm sick and tired, and it's raining, so it's gonna be mud. A whole bunch of mud.
I'll put it in 4 low, and I'll go through them.
No, not 4. No, actually, don't touch the low. My dad had an issue getting out of it one time.
Okay, so leave it in high.
Yeah,
Got it.
Yeah, just leave it in high.
Got it.
That's it.
No worries.
That's it.
We gotta go.
Oh, almost dropped it. Okay, got it. Good.
All right.
Okay, now let's go. Now look at the footage up there. We're going in. Holy shit! And we're in 4-wheel drive. I hope this one records well.
Yep.
Paint drop. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Oh, we haven't even turned the corner yet. We got 2 choices. We can go down.
Go down. Go. Let's go.
Show this way.
Yeah.
This one's the rock. I got it.
Yeah, just watch. Rangers are known to rip tires off when you take hard turns.
Yep, I know.
I did that on an Explorer. Ripped off my front tires and 4-wheel. Holy shizzle, friends. Okay, I'm gonna switch over and really do the camera.
Okay, you want to camera this one?
Go ahead. This is nuts. Fun.
Oh, these trees are low today. Holy shit, they're low.
Oh my god, I'm getting over my face, down my lower back. Oh, the water from the leaves.
Oh.
This is rain. Oh my god. This is fun. The truck is gonna be so mud.
Oh yeah.
Let's go easy on suspension. We don't know what.
Yeah, I know.
We know there's some tuck in the front there.
That's why I'm.
What are these trails for?
These are 4x4 trails. Down there's the water bog.
Yeah, really?
That's for the bigger vehicles.
Yeah, and this one will go through it?
No, fuck no. There's about 7 or 8 feet of water down there.
Really?
Oh fuck yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, here's gotta spin out. Oh yeah, it's solid with rocks. We're good.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't have a high center of gravity. It doesn't touch anything so far.
Oh, I gotta go. Fuck, let me get up. I don't want to have to go through that ride. Oh.
There you go. No, you had it.
Yeah, I had it and it came straight back.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's not that bad. Okay, that rock is the only one that bugs me.
Yeah, go that way.
Yeah, I go that way, I go around.
Go that way. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, get underneath us. Under tires. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, that's close.
Yep. It's muddy too, so. Gotta go this side. This one. Oh yeah, I know this trail by heart.
I have no idea where we're going. I may not be with you guys anymore after this. You know, there was rumors that that Jake just wants to off me or something.
No, I need
somebody I used to live with paid him to off me, and he's taking me out to the woods.
I wish. I'm scared of what this guy can do.
Yeah.
I'm scared of the people he knows.
I can ruin your name on the interwebs, you know. That series of tubes. It's not a dump truck, you know. Oh god.
Oh yeah, this is tight.
This is tight. My god, this is for vehicles. Oh my god.
Yeah. No, they haven't been. Usually we clean the trees out, but they haven't been done in a year.
Wow. Hey, we should come in here and just do that.
Yeah,
drive along and clean it up. There.
Yeah.
As long as it's public use.
Yeah.
What do you do if you do get stuck out here?
I mean, I got a team I call.
No, I got ways of getting us out.
Yeah, I got a team I call.
No, use one of the old straps.
Yeah.
You put it around a tire and let the tire pull you up.
Yeah, there's a team called Rescousse Québec.
We need to put a
winch on the front of this.
Yeah, winch on the front.
I gotta go high right, and then go back high left, because there's a rocker that she will bottom out on if I'm not careful.
If people want to go 300 on bike and, you know.
Okay, we're gonna go right this time. Usually I go left, but I'm going right.
Yeah, there's not too much. You get hit in the face with wrenches.
No, I know. That's why I gotta. It's because this.
Yeah, but leave it on. Yeah. There's at least on one.
Down there is where we go out. This is another part of the path. I gotta take it high right.
It's got power.
Oh, the power's not the problem. It's the gear.
It's still not bad. No, for a little 4x4, it's not bad.
Fuck no.
And with the rear end locked the way you say, yeah, it helps a lot.
Yeah, the rear end's locked out.
Yeah.
There's a place up here. I have to see what it's like going down the hill because I might have to turn around.
I wonder if this place has parking. There's a big stone right here on my side.
Yeah, I know. I gotta go that way. Just where I'm gonna have to turn around, isn't it?
What street?
Yeah, I know. I was getting over a bump.
It's just that stone there right beside me.
Yeah.
That is tight.
Oh yeah. No, it's gotten a lot worse. I'm gonna have to turn around here.
No, you're not going to get past that first stone.
Nope.
But what about down there?
Hell no, I'm not coming back up that rock cliff.
Oh, no.
No. Alright, time to turn around.
You can't go up there at all. You put your tires on that stone. Just go over this way.
No,
Go over my way.
there's a bigger drop on your side.
No, it's not. It's flat up.
Oh no, there's no way to get out over there.
Oh, it's dead end. Okay, well then back down and up.
Yep.
Holy shit. Last 4x4 I had a sensor on it to tell you your angles.
That's what I didn't want.
What?
The tow hitch.
Oh, doesn't matter. Already got hit.
Remember it's scraping, which is causing me to be unable to back out. Fucking hit that.
No, you didn't give.
What? It slipped out of reverse?
No, you didn't slip out. You didn't put it in.
I just backed up with the gas.
Put it in hard. I go in reverse. One knocks down. Why you come so far forward? Just come over the little lump. Yeah. It didn't slip out.
I gotta figure it out. Fuck, the trees are right on my way too. I'm gonna have to do a 10-point turn.
It's fine. Your stones are way over there anyways. You're 10 feet away.
Woo. Yeah. Nothing frame hit. I'm good. Going into first for this.
Push some trees down. Just don't wreck the bumper. That's a big tree. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna see how good this GoPro works. Yeah, there's more room on my side. You're good. You
I can't go back on my side.
I know.
I'm on the precipice.
A 10-point turn, people. 10-point turn. That's this times 2. Oh my god. Oh, that rock. That rock's right here. You're gonna pivot on it. That's huge. That rock. That's what I was telling you. Going. There.
It's fucking
Right there. There.
That is a big fucking rock.
Yeah, it is. It is huge. Stay, man. We got lots of room my way. You come my way.
I know, I'm
Go
good.
4 feet that way.
I made it through.
Yeah, I'm fine.
If you want to get some... Woohoo! Yay! We'll go back the other way and go see the other part of the trail.
Yeah. I get to do some driving too. I'm not gonna be his bitch all the time. I mean, I'm not gonna be his woman all the time. Oh damn! I just associate women to bitches. Shit, I'm screwed on YouTube now. What's wrong? You came up here.
Yeah, I know. It's because there's a 90-degree ledge here. 2 of them.
It's trees.
Yeah.
You're only looking one way right now. Look the other way. Yeah, keep your eyeballs on both sides. Should be fine. Why are you jerking it?
Because the rear end where it was going to come down. Okay, back this way to the other part.
It might sound like a bitch, but because it took me 36 months to pay this off. And I'm letting a 22-year-old drive this through the woods. Oh, bring me! Don't let the insurance company see this.
Yeah, we'll just that out.
Let's edit that out.
Actually, we're on private. Well, not private property. It's public access, but it's private property. So technically, I'm not driving.
Street.
Oh, no.
Hit mirror.
You can fold that mirror in.
Yeah, I know, but don't have to. See me? Asshole. Hits my mirror.
This, I expected this trail to be a lot worse. To be totally honest, with all the rain.
Watch that some.
Yep. We'll go right over that. The one that I have to go around that's really sharp, that's popped my tires, is this one.
Yeah, that will do it. I'll take your tires right off. Okay, don't come anywhere close my way. There's a precipice here.
I know. There we go. I went around it. And there's that fucking stone up there.
Hey man, I have to meet the X at 7. Don't get stuck.
Sorry, I can't come meet you stuck in a 4x4 trail.
Yeah, stuck in a 4x4 trail. Having more fun than going out me and you. Oh my god. No, it's not bad. I don't want to say bad things about people. Anyway, if you can't say that, if you can't say nothing, say something bad. Is that how it says? Don't, if you can't say nothing at all, say something bad.
Something like that.
There's a sharp one right on my side.
Yep.
And don't try this road with anything less than 6-ply tires. Oh my god. Trees on my side. Trees, you're really close. You're really close. You still in first?
Yep.
That's not throwing the engine in first?
Nope. I'm not even going above 2 grand.
Okay. Oh, we're on gas. This last everything I wouldn't want to run out with it.
But we're fine on gas. Woo, we're going through this one sideways.
Watch your direction. Oh, you're trying to focus here too. You have to have eyes on both sides. If you're more than 5 seconds on one side, you gotta look the other way. Well, it happens in 5 seconds. So that's where you came in from?
Nope, over here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What's up that way?
Nothing. Just a spot where we can get out. It's this used to be a really bad water hole right here,
Okay.
and we used to use that to go around it. Holy shit. We can
We're
either
probably out of gas on this thing. I didn't put that much in.
8.
An 8?
We're at 8.
This thing goes through an 8 real quick. The bottom of the tank is curved.
I know.
Especially if you're using it for a little ride right now and first gear. Oh, right in the face. Oh. Okay, you're in the trees, man. You're in the trees.
Yeah, I know. I have to stay in the trees.
Ouch. Fuck, man. You're gonna wreck the side of the truck.
So get over that, then I can come back in the center. Let's see what's up on the left. If I get over the hill and it's too bad, then I'm not going out. This one comes all the way around the new buildings and everything. This one comes out on Belvedere.
On Belvedere Street?
Yep.
Oh, way up there. Okay, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, we should be able to see that. Want to walk down and see?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down and see before.
Here, bring camera with you. I'll do that. Here, bring camera with you.
I got my phone.
You can film it as you go.
My phone.
Running the spotter right now. He's off to see if if we can pass through here. And give you an idea. I can see why. Full of water. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yes or no? Can we turn around to that gully? Right where you are, can we turn around? Okay, go. We're gonna turn around. I'm freaking out. We're stuck. We're stuck in the woods. There's something following us. Oh no, wait, it's just the back of the truck. Okay, we're good. Hey, look, Mom, no scratches. Jake is moving some branches, and we're gonna go down there. That's good. We're going down there. Next. Hey Jake, what all are you moving? What all are you moving?
Where you going?
Gonna take a turn?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah, he says. Is she going? I can't see there. This is fucking nuts. See my eyeballs, guys?
Don't turn anymore. Keep coming straight. Okay, that way.
Which way? Oh, fuck. Get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way! Get out of the way! Okay, I gotta pause this, guys. Say that again?
We made it through the whole thing without a single scratch or dent or...
Here, roll your window down.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Look at the moisture out of the tree.
Holy shit.
So what happened is, moisture got caught up on us and the blower decided to push moisture over the windshield. So we gotta wait. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's fucking tight in there.
I told you.
That's not bike paths?
No, that's 4x4 trails. Guys that go in there usually have 37-inch swampers and 31s.
Okay, now we need a lift kit.
Now we have a reason for a lift kit and bigger tires.
Here, you hold the phone over there.
I'll hold the phone.
And it's not on the blower, otherwise it won't hear the... No, here's the hot air blower.
There we go. So we got through that one.
Yeah, push the mirror back out now.
Oh, shit, mirrors. Sorry for covering the camera. Had to push the mirror out. So...
waiting for windshield to clear up.
Yeah. Ooh, that's fun.
Yeah, so oldest daughters don't want me going near their mom's place. I really would like to know what was said.
You know, at this point, I don't even give a fuck.
No, I know, but it's like 18 years of helping raise them and stuff, and it's basically we don't want you around anymore. It's like, oh.
You know why? Because they used you while you needed you.
Yeah.
And now they're done.
Yeah.
Fucking women, sorry to the women on here that see us, but some women, Jesus Christ.
I'm not sexist.
I'm not sexist. I have an awesome girlfriend.
Happens to be a daughter of the woman we're talking about.
Yeah, one of the daughters, but she's the only normal one.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, we go out, we go down.
What are you doing?
Oh, of course you are.
That's what you're supposed to do. Just hope I don't hit a stone.
Oh, God.
Or a cliff.
Yeah, or that, or precipice. That would be another method.
ABS works.
Oh, again?
I just built a kick in.
Oh, shit, really?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute.
Hey, ABS is on.
ABS works again?
Yeah.
Oh, fixed it.
Okay, now let's try it with four-wheel drive.
If we can do a four-wheel drive, this is going to be interesting.
Here we go.
Holy shit.
Wow, we got winter tires on.
Holy fucking, these are winters. This is a giant. There we go, guys.
4x4.
4x4. That four-wheel drive life.
There we go. 4x4. And this is the aftermath. Stick stuck in. But it was too wet today. I wanted more mud. I wanted way more mud. I bent the bumper over here.
If anybody has a mud pit in Sherbrooke.
Oh yeah, we had fun. I came really close to hitting a tree. I thought I touched it, and there's no damage. There's nothing at all. I thought I remember hearing.
Sure, you hit it.
Yeah, I think it's the tires that touched it.
Yeah, no, I think that's what it was. It right in here.
Yeah, because even the fender's not deformed or nothing. It has to be just to say I was touching the tire.
Holy shit! You want to know how much your tire sticks out?
Yeah.
Literally less than 1/8 of an inch.
Oh yeah, it's not much.
On the bottom, it's not much.
I must have been just touching the root. But look at that, guys. I know how to drive. Yeah, she did well. Can I say? That should do. I got
Next
more.
time we gotta get this little yellow light going.
I gotta change the light bulb. So as you saw, there was not enough mud. It was way too much rain. I hit a tree at one point. Didn't flip anything over. Didn't scratch. No damages. Yeah, I gotta go do that again. That's more fun. I'm gonna go to a place the next time around. We're gonna go to a place. It's a field. It's a mud pit, and we're gonna have fun in the mud. Now, not just gravel and stuff like that. That was just too clean. I mean, you got mud and the trees wiped it off, you know. So, gonna do some changes to the truck. I want to put a back rack on. I want to put a winch. Yes, I want to put a winch on. Yes. If you want to be on camera, you got to come over here and be on camera. And he's in his underwear right now, going. He almost wrecked the truck.
Suck my dick, bitch.
Yeah, well, internet, YouTube. So anyhow, tune in tomorrow, guys. More videos.